Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very intense arm fat juice that targets and slims down large arms so you can get smaller arms and always stay in shape as well. So this is very concentrated, intense to help you slim down that flappy arm and get your body back in shape. And so in order to come up with this intense arm fat burner, the first ingredient I'll be using will be cucumber. So you want to watch the procedure because this is very concentrated and I will not be adding in some water. What I do is I want to get a concentrated fat burning juice to target the stubborn, the fat in your arms can be a little bit resistant. So you need something really concentrated to help break down that fat for you to have your slimmer and firmer arms. So in order to come up with this recipe, I'll be blending one cucumber. So you just want to, I'll be grating. I don't want to blend because I might need to add some water. So everything will be done manually so you get concentrated juice out of these ingredients. Cucumber contains a lot of fat burning enzymes. When you consume, it stimulates fat burn, most especially when it is concentrated. It targets the resistant fats, most especially around your arms. All the stubborn fats on your body will go so you get back in shape. So what you want to do is exactly how you see me. You want to follow this procedure. Great, and I'll try to get the juice out of that. But before getting the juice, let me introduce the other ingredients to you. And the second ingredient I'll be using will be ginger. Ginger is a very powerful thermic fat burning food. It stimulates it stimulates and heats up your body to burn and break down resistant fat like your arm fat and all the resistant fats in your body. So it stimulates, boosts metabolism, dissolve fats in your system, prevent fat accumulation, enables you break down food so fast so nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. Like if you want to always stay in shape, you want to fall in love with this kind of juices once in a while so you don't go out of proportion, you always kind of stay in shape without those large arms. So this is it. You want to get, what I want to achieve here is a tablespoon of ginger. So you want to grate your ginger to achieve like a tablespoon. So I don't want to blend because I want to get the juice really concentrated. So after I grate, I will kind of use a little bit of water to get concentrated juice out of this. So this is very good. This procedure, you want to follow these steps if you want to get the best results out of this. So yeah, just great, and voila. When you achieve 1 large tablespoon of your ginger, you this is the second ingredient. Then you now want to, let me introduce the third ingredient before I'll show you how I'll get all the juices anyway. So at this point, the next ingredient you want to add is a citrus fruit with good acids. So you can use either orange, you can use lemon, you can use grapefruit, whichever, but I love grapefruit because grapefruit has that sweet sour taste. So I don't need to add sugar in my juice, but it doesn't taste boring in the mouth. Plus, the good acids help to burn and flush out bad acids, sodium, making you always have that stiff, big arms or even belly fat as well. So this will target your belly fat as well and help you get back in shape. So this is one grapefruit. Remember, you can use orange or you can use lemon, but I go for grapefruit because it gives me that sweet sour taste. Plus grapefruits really help to burn fat as well. Citrus fruits are very good to boost metabolism and help you burn down, most especially stubborn resistant arm fat. So the next ingredient I'll be adding as well will be apple cider vinegar. So once I've introduced all these ingredients to you, I will show you how to mix up and come up with the intense juice. So you want to always get your apple cider vinegar with the mother. You see the white residues at the bottom. This is very important. You don't want to use regular vinegar. You want to use apple cider vinegar with those white residues called the mother at the bottom. So you shake before you use. This curbs your appetite and stimulates fat burn as well. So this is my cup. I want to now achieve the juice from these ingredients without using water, like just to get concentrated fat burning juice from these ingredients. So this is my cucumber here. You want to get a strainer. You see, cucumber is like 86% water based. This is almost water, but I will not be throwing the fiber. So I'll use this fiber to come up with my smoothie. I don't throw my pulp, your pulp or fiber, whatever, you don't need to throw. So it's not like I'm wasting this cucumber, but I just want to come up with a fat burning juice, and I will still use this pulp or the fiber to come up with my smoothie for fat burning as well. So this is very crucial. So this is my one cucumber juice. Now I want to get some juice, and I want concentrated juice from this grated ginger. So you want to put your ginger in a cup, kind of add in water, like half a tiny little cup of water, like half a cup of water. You see the tiny little cup of water I added in there? Like you use your measuring cup and you use just like 1/3 cup of water. Yes, that is 1/3 cup of water. And you use your strainer to strain. You see the juice is really concentrated. Whereas if I had to use water, I would like use like 1 cup of water to blend, but you just use like 1/3 cup of water to get concentrated juice out of your ginger and add in the cucumber. So as you can see, this is really getting concentrated, and I will show you how I add in the other ingredients as well. So you want to really squeeze to get out all of the juice into your fat burner. And yeah, so this is the pulp I'm adding into the cucumber pulp. I will not throw these. I'll just simply add my pineapple and blend for my smoothie, my fat burning smoothie. So now I want to get the juice out of the grapefruit I used. You just want to use your strainer as well, because you don't want particles in your juice. And you can as well add the remaining pulp from the grapefruit into the pulp, or into the bowl where you kept the pulp of cucumber and ginger, and just add in some pineapple, and that is your fat burning smoothie. So I'll be adding in not a lot of apple cider vinegar. You don't want a lot of apple cider vinegar, and always try to shake before you measure in your apple cider vinegar. So I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which is just enough. This is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and it is just enough for this concentrated fat burning juice. It will target your stubborn belly fat, but will really deal, the arms can be very difficult to burn the fats on your arms. So this is really concentrated, as you can see, and will target those difficult fat flappy arms, so you can get back your arms firmer and not flappy, and slimmer as well. So this is it, but it will target your belly as well, but it really targets the difficult arms that you face difficulties losing. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Try this recipe, and trust me, you will always maintain those slim arms without having your arms looking so big and never staying in shape, with belly fat as well. This targets your arms and belly for you to stay in shape and in good body size, free of obesity, which leads to other health complications, and you stay healthy as well, which is very important, as we all want to stay healthy. Health is wealth. Health is the best thing you can do to yourself. Good health. That way it saves you a lot of money to spend at hospitals for doctors to recover you from some very difficult illnesses like hypertension, diabetes, high blood pressure due to excess cholesterol in the system, excess fats leading to fatty acids. This breaks down excess fats, bad fats in your system, all the bad cholesterol. It breaks it down. That way you are free from cholesterol issues, the high blood, diabetes. Like, this is the way to go. Even if you are not to break down arms or lose arms or belly fat, this kind of juices should be your friend if you want to be free from cholesterol, high cholesterol issues, high blood pressure, diabetes due to bad fats in your system, due to being overweight. Fall in love with these recipes. If you don't have fat arms or flappy arms, just have these recipes to maintain that healthy body size and live a very healthy life. It is never late. Better, or even if it is late, you are sick, it is better late than never. Try to start being healthy too, because the secret to being healthy is eating healthy and putting in some nutrients that will help neutralize bad fats from your system. Yeah, so enough of my tips for today. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.